Look at this absolutely beautiful 5-foot bougainvillea plant. If you want something tropical added to your home without the troubles of watering and keeping up with the mess that real plants make, let me show you how beautiful this bougainvillea is. Look how realistic it is, absolutely stunning. Let me show you several before and after spots where this beautiful faux bougainvillea made such a difference. But look at the technical truths about this product. It's featuring realistic pink silk flowers. They are natural looking, and the textured trunk and the sturdy potted base makes this tall faux flowering plant effortlessly seeming to elevate any room that it's in. I love the colors on this plant. They have the dark greens and the light greens that look so natural, and the faux trunk is truly realistic. Now it arrives pre-assembled. It comes in 2 pieces, and it arrives just like this, 2 separate pieces, and it has a little bitty spot here on the trunk with an arrow pointing down. You simply put that down arrow on the up arrow of the bottom piece like this, and there you go. That's all you have to do. Now look at this office setting before this flowering plant and after. What a game changer. Now look at this beautiful setting in the corner of this room where I do my Pilates. It makes a beautiful game-changing difference. And here in a bedroom, this pretty bedroom is only made more beautiful with this beautiful bougainvillea plant. It's so pretty. It adds such a splash of color, and it makes you feel like you're in a special resort, spa, hotel. It's boutique quality, comes at a very valuable price. Now look here in an everyday media room, the difference it makes, even by a window. It's beautiful. Even though you could put a real plant in this area, I would never have one this beautiful and this successful. And here it is, my favorite spot on my front porch. Look how pretty it makes this cozy spot. Makes you want to sit here all the time, and you can see it from the street. It looks so, so beautiful. I love this bougainvillea. Now, it was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I highly recommend it. Most flowering plants require constant attention. This is perfect. Please like and follow us for more from this great brand and others like these.